this video, I'll show you how to add a clickable LinkedIn logo to your Canva resume. Open your resume design in Canva. Navigate to the Elements tab and type LinkedIn logo in the search bar. Select the Graphics category to find LinkedIn logo options. Click your preferred logo to add it to your resume. Adjust the logo size and position to fit your layout. With the logo selected, press Ctrl or L+K on your keyboard to open the link window. Paste your LinkedIn profile URL and click Done. That's it! Your LinkedIn logo is now clickable. Thanks for watching.